Hats off everyone, I'm Kapil Limbu and today in this video I'm changing Samsung A2 core motherboard and I'm sharing this video with you all. There is something new to learn. Thank you my friends. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Motherboard, let's eject our SIM step by step. Okay, keep it aside. And after that, let's power off. Okay. After this, let's start with back cover. And this way, both sides. Okay. Flip your cover in this way. Keep it aside. Now remove battery in this way. After that, you need to open some screw with the help of screwdriver found at your home. After that, here you can see the motherboard of Samsung A2 core, which I am changing it because there are some fault in motherboard. After that, remove your LCD. Okay, keeping aside. Here you can see the housing itself. Board and now I'm changing this because there are some issue in this section and there are some issue on the CPU and all the memory stuff. There's some problem in this board, so I'm changing it. Okay, let's don't waste our time. Let's straight go to our work. Here you can see this is my new one. Okay, you can put it this way and don't forget to put the screw on the motherboard. This will attach your board and this will make your phone more stable. So don't forget to put the screw. You can always WhatsApp me if you have some problem regarding your phone LCD. You can repair in my store at affordable price. Visit Kapil Mobile Repairing Store. WhatsApp number shown in the screen. Okay, after that, let's put our back cover. Before that, battery. Okay, and here you can see the back cover of it. Let's put it properly. Let's have our LCD. So let's grab the LCD and let's fix it. Okay, this way you can put your LCD. Now let's put our SIM together. SIM this way. It's time to boot in front of you. I hope Samsung logo have come up and we have successfully changed our motherboard in front of you. Let's wait for some time for booting. say our phone is successfully boot and we have changed successfully our motherboard. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video will be helpful, you can always share to your friends, and you can always contact me in my WhatsApp number if you have any problem regarding your phone and PC. We repair here at affordable price. Thank you for watching this video. Signing off, Kapil Subba.